I'm afraid to fly, and I don't know why. I'm jealous of the people who are not afraid to die. Just that I recall back when I was small, someone promised that they catch me, and then they let me fall, and now I'm falling fast again. Why do I always take a fall when I fall in love? I think by now I've learned. Play with fire, you get burned. But fire can be oh so warm. That's why I turn and walk away. That's what I should do. My head says go and find the door. My heart says I find you, and now I'm falling fast again. Why do I always take a fall when I fall in love? Help me, I'm falling. Catch me if you can. Maybe this time I have it all. Maybe I'll make it after all. Maybe this time I won't fall when I fall in love.